So guys, we have our sample project open. Now as you can see that our video is in landscape mode, but suppose we want our video to be in portrait mode. So how to change the project setting? It's really simple. Go to top left corner, File, choose Profile. From here, select the resolution you want. As you want to have portrait mode video, for that we will search for vertical. Then from here, select the resolution and FPS. Suppose we want to have 1080p resolution with 60 frames per second. Or if you want a square or 1:1 video, for that just search for a square and select the one you want. Suppose 1080p 60 frames per second. Then press on OK. And we are done. As you can see, now our project is totally messed up. So before you start editing, choose the right profile for your project or keep a backup. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.